My name's Dave, and with my wife Becky and our two kids Owen and Emily, we love to go on adventures. Most recently, we decided to go to the most happiest place on earth, Disney World, in celebration of my daughter's and my birthday. So with us sharing birthdays, it seemed like it was a great time to go and visit Disney World.
All right, today is day 2. We are going to try to get to rope drop and do... What are we doing, buddy? Little Mermaid. Owen really wants to do Little Mermaid. They didn't love the other one, so... Little Mermaid it is. Pooh was a miss. Barnstormer was a miss yesterday. It was so hot. The camera was overheating. We're going to try to get a little bit more on camera today, but I don't know. We'll see. Since we're staying at the hotel, we get a little bit of extra time in the park. So we're going to go check in now, and I don't know if we got a lightning lane or not, but we're going to go on Little Mermaid regardless, right, buddy? Right, bud? Yeah? All right.
I got your bando.
Perfect. Okay, great job.
Oh, this one is yours.
Yes, the blue one.
Cool.
Hey.
Hi, Princess.
Say hi.
It's not your right finger. You good? Try again?
Yeah, you're good. How that works?
Try that finger.
Oh, there it is.
Papa's over there.
Thank you. Apparently, you should use your right finger, as in the finger you used the first time, to, you know, get in. Come on, bud. It's okay. I got your hand. We'll go quick. Go, 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 go. Look, there's so many sea stars, buddy. Look, they're all over the place.
Look at that big one. That big one.
Whoa. Come on, bud.
Barnacles up here. Yeah. Little barnacles.
All right, well, we're gonna ride Ariel, and there we go. We're gonna ride Ariel's whatever, because Owen wants to see the mermaid. Right, buddy? You want to see the mermaid? Let's go. Let's see how it goes. I know it's a little dark, buddy. Come on. It's very hot and humid, and the camera lens is fogging up, so we'll see. Hopefully, we can get a little bit of this. A little bit of this on video. I don't know how good it's going to look. We'll see. Come on, bud. All right, get on the ride. How's it going? Well. So we tried to get Owen. Well, we didn't try. We got him on Little Mermaid, right?
Mermaid, which they were begging for all morning. Begging. They only wanted the mermaid ride.
Yeah. And then we got on it, and
They both hid.
yeah, the entire time. It's awesome. So now we're gonna go on It's a Small World, which is pretty benign, and we'll see if they actually like that.
We'll see.
Yeah.
Camel. Oh,
Zebra. Rhino. Zebra and rhino. That was a zebra and rhino.
Yeah.
Nothing else. Monkey. Owl. The jungle park.
So after It's a Smaller World, we decided to go to the carousel because the line was short and the kids really like carousels. It turned out that they actually really liked the carousels more than we ever actually knew, and this actually got them into this new thing where they want to ride every carousel they see. So they loved it. It actually was a great way to kind of cool off because it got us out of the sun and it kind of got some air moving because you're riding. We actually rode it, I want to say 3 or 4 times the whole time we were there.
All right, so today is day 2 of Disney, and we kind of got melted yesterday, so that wasn't great. But we were prepared today, and unfortunately, the way that it worked out is that yesterday we didn't get our luggage all unpacked, so we were wearing our travel stuff, so it was really hot. Today we're in dry fit, it's like 90 degrees with like 100% humidity, and it's going to rain later, so we're about to surprise the kids by doing a Cinderella meet and greet, which is going to be really cool. The first thing Owen did when he wanted to get in was to check and see if Cinderella was home. So this is going to be really, really exciting for them. Hopefully they're going to be surprised by it. Ems, what did you think of the carousel? Did you like it?
We can look at things, honey. I can't get anything at this very moment.
Emmy, look.
Look. Have it?
Have it?
Oh my gosh. Is that a Pluto hat?
Question is, would you wear it?
Oh my God, I love the way
Here,
she puts
wait, hold
it
on.
on.
Let me see. Let me see if we can make it fit right. You like it backwards, right?
We like it, Em? You like that goofy hat?
Emmy, let me see. Put the wishable back. Let me see.
You like that puppy hat? Emmy?
Let me just see. No, not pins. Pins are sharp. Can you look at me for a second, Emmy? Em? Let me see.
Hey, Daddy.
Let me just see you in the puppy hat. Emmy. Em. Let me just see you in the puppy hat. Do you want the puppy hat?
Emmy, no, this is, look at, puppy hat.
Puppy hat.
Puppy hat. Now you're Pluto.
You're Pluto. Let's go show Papa.
Come on.
Yeah. Look at his nose.
Hi, Ellie.
Everyone's got to have it. I like
Say
it.
happy birthday. Oh, he's licking you.
Owen, do you know
He wants to tell you something.
What is it, bud?
I don't know why I over there.
Pluto
You
hat.
see?
I love your Pluto hat.
Oh, cool.
Pluto's licking me. Oh,
Owen,
Pluto's licking.
are you licking? Do you want to go meet Cinderella right now? In person? Do you want to go meet her? Okay, we get to go meet her right now. Right over there. Come on. 7.
Come on, Emmy. Come on, guys.
Owen, Emmy, look
Look, bud.
we're gonna meet Elena first.
All right, so I feel like it's okay to admit this now, but we didn't realize necessarily that there would be 2 princesses there. Now, we probably should have realized this. We probably should have seen it. I think it was probably posted at least a couple different places. But our kids don't know who Elena is. So we were kind of like telling them they were going to meet Cinderella. And they saw Cinderella when they first walked in. But then we got detoured over to Elena. Now, she was very nice. I think it was a good warm-up to Cinderella, to be quite honest. So I'm actually glad we had this encounter first. So they weren't like super starstruck. And I hate to say it like this, but I might take this part out, to be quite honest, of the voiceover. But it's kind of like meeting the TV star before the movie star, right? Because she's on TV. Cinderella was a movie, but is all over the place anyways. So it's kind of like that. And you can see Becky is actually the one who took the picture. The kids were like not really feeling it, but we felt really bad because we were there to see her, kind of like not intentionally, but we were. So
Becky got a picture. I don't even know if we kept the picture, to be quite honest. But they were just ready to go see Cinderella. And then that's where we head to next. Just thought I had to put that in there because it is a kind of awkward interaction. I don't know if it translates over on the camera or not, but it definitely was a little awkward.
Enjoy more time when she comes to Apple.
Oh, yes.
Right? Nice. Thank you so much, friends. Enjoy the kingdom.
It's such a treat to have you in the kingdom. Maybe next time I can come to your castle. Yeah. Such a late to come over here.
Well, guess what?
What did you want to ask about this way, shall we?
Well,
Did you have a question? Along with the other hundreds of mice that are in the castle too. Maybe we can go to the castle and we can meet every single mouse today. But even it might take all day though. Do you have to be home by midnight? Midnight, yeah. We'll have to be done meeting them before then, right?
Who else did you want to ask about?
oh, look, she already has beer right in her hand.
Oh, Lucifer. Well, Lucifer still lives with my stepsisters. Because I think they take very good care of him. Although I used to take very good care of Lucifer as well. Are you taking care of your animal friends today too? Do you remember my dog Bruno? I would have brought him here with me today too, but he was very busy guarding the castle. You have a dog too, right? So, happy birthday, Princess Lincoln. I'm sure your heart got it. One of us will take a picture with her. You would like to come to the castle? I'll come with you.
Yeah, why don't you do a picture, bud?
We'll join together, shall we? Yours upside down. Best
Look at me. Smile. Look up.
Oh, buddy.
Do you want to give her a hug? Do you want to give Cinderella a hug for Emmy?
Yeah, do that, buddy.
Oh, you're going to go with her?
Us together. Thank you, friends. That was so sweet. Thank you, dear. I'll take some hugs back to Jack and Gus for you too.
Thank you. Thank you. Right here, guys.
And was that awesome, buddy?
How cool was that? Cinderella. Oh
my goodness. Did you love that?
That was the coolest thing ever.
Cinderella and me. Oh wait, was that fun? Was that
That was worth it.
Oh, absolutely.
Hey, buddy, what did you think? Meeting Cinderella, was that awesome? Yeah.
Was that wonderful?
Emily, did you like meeting Cinderella?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Was she pretty?
Yeah.
Did you love that? Yeah. That was pretty. She was so nice. She said you could meet all the mice friends. Maybe when we go.
Just got done meeting Cinderella and the kids loved it. It was awesome. Couldn't have asked for a better reaction. Right, bud?
Buddy, was that your favorite part?
So cool. All right, I think we're gonna go on the Speedway.
Here. Oh no.
Owen, you want to go drive a car?
What?
Yeah? All right.
Along the way, but we'll figure it out.
Who what?
Might have to stop at the teacups along the way.
Okay. Teacups, then the Motor Speedway. Owen, what did you ask Cinderella? What questions did you ask? Yeah. And she answered all of them, right?
Was she pretty?
And what does that mean?
I think she's in there with Papa and Nana.
Here she comes.
And maybe there?
Emmy, what did you think? Did you like it? Yeah, Cinderella's pretty cool, huh?
puppy. All right, so we're gonna go to Tomorrowland Speedway here in a minute. We got a lightning lane for it. These lightning lanes are like not great compared to, I see them, compared to the Fast Pass system, but you know what? It's not terrible. You can manage it. It just isn't as great to like plan your day out, but I get why they did it. That way you can spontaneously do a Disney trip. And Owen's about to fall off. Hey buddy, maybe slow down just a little bit. So far today, we have, on our second day, gone to see Cinderella and Mira at a meet and greet, which they loved. We did try Small World, which is the only ride they have actually enjoyed, and so they would go on again. And we saw the Philharmonic Melody show, which they really like that too. So now we're getting ready to go in Tomorrowland Speedway, and then we're gonna park hop here around 2 o'clock, which this is not a watch, it's a Magic Band, and try to get on some shows and rides over there. The key for Animal Kingdom is going to be to try to find Lion King theme stuff for Emily for her birthday, because she really loves Lion King. All right, buddy. Come on, it's our turn. Owen, are you ready to go drive some cars? Yeah, these are race cars. It's gonna be cool. You don't remember doing this before, bud. Come on. All right. Oh, we're going. You ready?
Let's do this.
All right, buddy, you ready? Here, use the wheel. Yeah, buddy. All right, here we go. This is gonna be a bumpy ride. Yeah, Owen, can you see over the wheel? Yeah. Kind of. Look where you're going, not where you've been. Woohoo! Whoa, it's gonna be bumpy. We're catching up to him, buddy. Look, Emmy and Mommy are up there. This is what is going on right now. Oh yeah, now you're doing a good job. Look at you drive like a champ, buddy. Tunnel! Tunnel! Yeah, tunnel! I think I'm gonna be car sick. Ugh. Oh, and you gotta hold on to the wheel, bud. Did you see him? All right. Buddy. Is this the game? I think he's trying to break the track off the rail and just drive wherever, because that's what it feels like right now.
What? Hold on to the steering wheel. What? We're catching up. We're by Dumbo. Whoa, buddy, you hit that spark. You just let go of the wheel. Dumbo. Oh my God. I don't know if we're gonna make it. Oh.
Oh God. Oh God. Oh God. Okay. We made it. We made it. We're falling backwards.
Mom, help!
We gotta wait our turn to pull up, buddy. You did a great job. You need water, bud. You're hot. We made it. We did it. Woo! We're sitting here trying not to fall backwards.
Dad, wait up!
What'd you think, bud? You like driving cars? Yeah? Oh, hold on, buddy. Sorry. Go. Okay, okay, sorry, buddy. Yeah.
You did a great job driving!
You weren't in the car with them. Hey,
Buddy, over here.
we're going this way. All right, bud, I think we're gonna go on the People Mover, assuming it's running. All right, we gotta get the grandparents, and then we're going on the People Mover.
Emmy almost fell asleep on that.
Really?
Yep.
Emmy, you getting tired, baby?
She almost fell asleep on that ride, right?
You getting tired?
You want to take a little cat nap? You know what? The People Mover is perfect for cat naps.
We need to get some of these kids some water,
Yeah.
because they're hot. It may have looked smooth, but it was not smooth. I think Owen's goal was to break the track, to get off, and then drive
Does
around.
he like driving?
He loved driving.
This was Emmy.
Aw, baby. All right, we gotta find 2 nanas, a papa, and a stroller. I don't know where they're at. You want your Eeyore, bud? Well, I think they're in here. A nana and a nene. A nana and a nene. A nana and a nene. Let me just clarify. All right, we're going into Cosmic Rays to see if we can find them.
I can't see you, can't even feel you. Now I know you will never set me free.
Never seen that before, but that's cool. I don't think we've ever been in Cosmic Rays before.
Here you go, babe. Okay. Wait, why don't you lay your head on Mama? Yeah. Good girl.
Maybe this is so much fun.
Take it.
Yeah, take it.
Just take it.
We got on Winnie the Pooh again.
We got on Winnie the Pooh again.
Teacups or whoever wants to go on. And then the hat shop. That's it, right?
Yeah.
I mean, Peter Pan, we're just not going to get on.
We're not going to get on Peter Pan. And they're not going to want to ride it anyway, so it really doesn't matter.
Yeah, we're crushing through this part. Almost took that kid out.
No, apparently it's good to be here when Not So Scary is happening since the park closes, so that's cool.
Yeah, we were already planning on only doing a half day too, so.
Yeah. And then off to Animal Kingdom to see animals.
More?
And ride a minivan. Okay, crushed it. You crush it too? We need 2. And I need a garbage can. There we go. I got it. These applesauce is our lifesaver. They eat them, and they get a little bit of liquid water. Whoa, look at that.
Mike Wazowski, we're gonna go to lap after. You need a diaper change.
Across the door, back to the bus road, trying to get moved back home. Randall chased him on the roller coaster ride to the normal road, took care of Randall. Mike King supposed one news, and they all discovered the laughter was 10 times more powerful than screaming.
Everybody put your hands together for our great cast of characters. Correct! Well done, Sue. Sue, could you do me the honor of picking a number between 1 and 50? Do you have a number, Sue?
Yes.
Okay, wow, that was a lot. Okay, Sue, I need you to tell the audience your number so they'll be amazed when I guess it right. Now, don't worry. I'll close my eyes first so I don't hear you saying it, okay? Hold on. Don't say it yet. Okay, tell them now, Sue.
5.
Have you told the audience your number, Sue?
Yes.
Did you say the number, Sue?
Yes.
Huh?
I did.
The one you think... I'm sorry, I couldn't hear you. My eyes were closed. That was my bad, Sue. That was me. I'm sorry about that. Okay, I will now pull the number from your brain. Here we go. Let's think it mentally. Place your hands up to your head. Hands on your head, Sue. Nice. I need you to make antennas with your fingers now. Little antennas. Can you throw them up there for me? Oh, you've done that before, you party animal. All right, now, Sue. I need you to concentrate on your number. I need you to think of it hard and make this sound. Kick it. Good job, Sue. I have your number. 41. Oh. Higher or lower?
Lower.
41. I take it lower. Oh. It just hit me. It's 5. Give it up to Sue, everybody. I could not have done this without the praise of Sue.
All right, next ride, People Mover. You ready for a People Mover, bud? Nice leisurely ride. Chuck it over there. Drink it all, buddy. You gotta drink it all before we go. Is it kind of steep, buddy? Stand up, buddy. We're getting to the end. Here we go. Okay, keep walking. Keep walking. Keep walking. Keep walking. Where are we going, buddy? Go here, here? Here, we're going here.
Enjoy your Emily Ann.
Good job, buddy.
Enjoy your journey.
What?
People with that.
You know this is one of Mommy's favorite rides? I just don't want you to fall out.
Here we go.
This is the TTA Blue Line. Non-stop
It's so
service.
nice.
Meanwhile.
Planets! Wow! Planets!
Whoa, look at the rockets and the planets, Emmy.
This is a nice breeze right
Greetings,
here.
intergalactic travelers. And my stars, there are lots to see.
Set packs or gravity polarizers.
Ah, big turn. Feels awesome. Are you moving? Are you a people moving?
Tomorrowland Urban Planning and Star Trek.
Oh, look at the
Don't
castle!
worry, your express train keeps on rolling through the future. Right by 2 of my favorite spots.
Yes, we're gonna find the money.
Oh, they got some trick-or-treat stuff out.
Oh, Emmy, Ben.
Did that make you sleepy?
I think she was nervous. There's nothing scary
Now
in the dark.
approaching Tomorrowland Speedway and
Look, we were just on
Tron
that.
Yeah,
I love a good circuit, and these are two of the best tracks in the cosmos for a bit of light, speedy competition.
And we're gonna see the progress of where Tron is, buddy.
Attention all visitors from Galaxy M31. Please keep forward-facing vehicles clear on the vehicles. Thank you.
Walkway up to it. Here we go, we're gonna turn, Emmy.
So I have to say, we were very pleased with our meal. We went to Cinderella's table for lunch, and we might have gone in with kind of lower expectations only because Cinderella's table has a reputation of being very pricey and the food only being so-so, but what you're really paying for is the experience. And I have to say, our experience was fantastic. And the food was actually really good too. Much better than we were assuming that it was going to be, which was kind of a surprise because we were assuming it only to be kind of a lackluster meal, and it ended up being a really good lunch. The room was huge. The kids had a really cool menu. They had everything the kids wanted to drink, and the kids' meals were actually fairly decent. The price was still pretty high, but the kids loved their meal. Now, I do have to say, unfortunately, Owen started to get tired while we were there, and he did end up starting to fall asleep as we were eating. And he did get to eat most of his meal, but by the time that dessert came out, he had kind of gotten, well, he passed out. So, what ended up happening, because it was my birthday and it was Emily's birthday, we got some birthday treats. So she got a little cupcake, and I got a birthday thing as well. And Emily actually ended up eating both of them. So she ate her little cupcake, and then there was this thing where you could kind of decorate it and make it your own, and it was really cool. And then in the end, she took her little spoon and ate it all up.